So if I say what is mono alphabetic cipher, I don't know, so because of my some handwriting they have taken Flono alphabetic, but I will just delete this. If I want to delete this, delete. Mono alphabetic cipher. Okay, so if I want to say this will in my cloud.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. My cloud. Okay, this is Google. Okay, the way we search it on the Google, how do we search images or videos or something, right? The mono alphabetic cipher, I will say the video. We can see this. Okay. See, the voice is not there because of that wire connectivity, but let us try to understand something during the video. I have already explained you Caesar cipher and modified version, but modified version also has the problem like we can predict. The cryptanalyst, as I explained you, what is cryptanalyst? The person who try to hack the system, the pattern which you are applying in the cryptography, right? But it can be a legal person or it can be a illegal person, ethical hacker or unethical hacker. So suppose we are the cryptanalyst and we want to find out. So we are just using, it is just explaining substitution cipher and everything. As we know, I have already explained you the type. So here you can see these names I have already explained to you. But in modified Caesar cipher also we have seen that in one line we can definitely get the answer. So if a user has a machine which a very good capacity, then 25 combination is nothing, right? 25 combination is, it's easy for him to crack your system auto pattern. So what mono alphabetic order cipher says, that you don't have to take a similar pattern like Caesar cipher or modified version. What you can say, if I have any letter, for example, as I told you, यहाँ पे देखते हैं example. This is forward is. Okay, it is going, I can forward in this YouTube, but I will just say, see, I don't have the, suppose my name is Swati, so I don't have to take a similar pattern like, अगर मेरा S है तो मुझे उसके बाद 2 अल्फाबेट्स के बाद लेना है या 3 के बाद लेना है या 4 के बाद लेना है, right? So यहाँ पे कोई फिक्स पैटर्न नहीं लेना है. What we need to take is, you can take any alphabets out of other and at any place, आगे भी ले सकते हो, पीछे भी ले सकते हो. So you won't find the entire name, the answer which is our cipher text in the similar line. Okay? For example, यहाँ पे Caesar cipher they are explaining, it will come. I mean S. I can take anything like V. It's my choice. I can take anything like A. Are you getting it? So any alphabets we can take. आगे भी और पीछे भी. So एक लाइन में नहीं जाएगा वो. You have to search at the different places which alphabet का कौन सा आंसर आया, right? Then A का K, anything, T, U, I, J. Are you getting it? So this is my, what is this? This answer is my ciphertext, right? So if I am sending you my ciphertext, you have to convert this back into this plain text. So you have to apply your brain, because this is not in a similar line. You cannot find कि ये मेरा 3 अल्फाबेट के बाद वाला अल्फाबेट है, या 2 के बाद वाला है, या ये पर्टिकुलर लाइन में है. Am I right? So you have to search. Am I clear? So यहाँ पे जैसे दिया है, एग्जाम्पल दिया है, पर they are explaining this मोनो अल्फाबेटिक. हम डायरेक्ट मोनो अल्फाबेटिक वाला ही देखते हैं. इसमें बाकी के भी एक्सप्लेन किए हैं. लेट अस सी. I will write mono alphabetic cipher, right? Am I right? Then we will place it into the cloud. So let us take another video. It is not coming. I can directly write over here also. Mono alphabetic cipher, but it is not taking it. Okay, I will just take again. See, it is. Okay, let us just first finish the explanation. We are just trying this. क्योंकि वो टाइपिंग में भी थोड़ा ये हो गया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. So you have a soft copy with you all, everyone? Yes. Okay. So let us see mono alphabetic cipher. I will do one thing. Do I have a soft copy? So how many possibilities do we have for each alphabet? No, that was a modified Caesar cipher. But what is in mono alphabetic cipher? As I have told you, A can be replaced by any other 25 alphabets, but it can be forward also, backward also. B can be replaced by anything like that. So the crucial difference being there is no relationship between the replacement of B and A. I mean, A का हमने किस लेटर से रिप्लेसमेंट किया है, वो उससे अब B से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. B का रिप्लेसमेंट कोई भी लेटर से हो सकता है. एज वी हैव सीन, यहाँ पे मैंने रैंडमली कोई भी अल्फाबेट यूज किया है, राइट? सो देयर इज नो कनेक्शन बिटवीन कि S का V क्यों आया और W का A क्यों लिया. देयर इज नो कनेक्शन इन दिस. इट इज अ रैंडम choice. So to put it mathematically, now we have any permutation of combination of 26 alphabets. Okay, so we have permutation combination of 26 alphabet, which is 26 into 25 into 24 into up to 2, okay, and into 1. So, or you can also say there are 4 into 10 raised to 26 possibilities. 4 into 26 possibilities. So this is extremely hard to crack, right? Because यहाँ पे एक simple pattern नहीं है. All right. So There is only one hitch. If the ciphertext created with this technique, in short, the cryptanalyst can try different attacks based on her knowledge of the English language. मतलब यहाँ पे एक ही है कि अगर हैकर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है तो वो सिर्फ अपना ब्रेन अप्लाई करके he will try to put Caesar cipher method into this and try to crack all the possibilities. Not only 25 but these many possibilities using the systems. Then your pattern will be cracked. Okay? But even if we will use any of the method, we definitely have the possibilities to crack somewhere the things, right? So let us again search now. Mono alpha okay, this is I have taken this, no?